if you wish to get edge lighting or edge lights on your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, in order to do that, we need to download a third-party app that allows us to actually get this feature, because unfortunately we do not have built-in edge lights effect available on this phone. So let's go to the Play Store and we're gonna type edge lights. You should be able to find a bunch of different apps that provide this feature, so you can choose whichever you wish to try out. In my case, I'm gonna choose this one, Movies Edge. I've been using it before, and it has some customization options for free. Some of them are premium, of course, but we're gonna stick with the free variants only. And let's open the app. In addition to that, the app also offers AOD, which is enabled by default, and since we already have AOD on this phone, there is really no need to use it. So we're gonna turn it off as well. So tap on the draw over apps, wait for the next screen to appear, and then over here we're gonna choose Movies Edge, and we need to allow this app to display over other apps. Now let's go back, and over here we have our edge lights effect. We can tap on the edge lights in the bottom left corner just to make sure. First we're gonna turn on these options. So we have the option that allows us to show edge lights on music overlay, AOD music, and AOD notification. I'm gonna actually turn it on for everything. Over here you might need to grant some permissions, of course, in the meantime, so you can do that. Over here we're gonna choose Movies Edge and let's allow notification access. There we go. So now it should be set up, but of course we're gonna customize the effect a little bit again. This time we're gonna tap on lines in the top left corner, and we have a bunch of different categories and options that we can choose. Those effects that have this star means that they are premium, so most likely you won't be able to use them. So let's say I'm gonna choose this lights effect. Over here on the right side we can choose the color palette, and let's say I'm gonna choose this green one over here. Let's go back, and you can also tap on this pen icon right next to the apply button so that we can find some additional personalization options like the thickness of the effect, the glow, and of course different effects have different options in the settings. And let's press save over here and let's apply our effect, and that should be it. Now, as I mentioned, this feature also has AOD, but to turn it off so that it won't be displayed, and we're gonna go to settings, open always on display, and then you can just turn it off over here. So now of course it will be off. We can also go to edge lighting in order to find out what settings are available for this feature. So if you want to adjust something, then of course you can do that over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.